Most millennials and Gen Z consumers today are moving toward cashless living, from groceries to utility bills, travel bookings, food orders, subscriptions, and even microtransactions. Everything is now paid digitally. And in 2026, digital wallets aren't just payment apps anymore. They're becoming AI-powered financial companions, smarter, faster, safer, and more personalized than ever before. Traditional payment apps struggle with rising fraud, poor user experience, slow KYC, low customer retention, payment failures, and almost no personalization. Founders know these problems all too well. Users want speed, security, simplicity, and your digital wallet must deliver all three, instantly. According to recent industry reports, over 60% of young users prefer digital wallets over traditional banking apps, and the global mobile wallet market, valued at USD 140 billion in 2022, is projected to exceed USD 550 billion by 2030. This opens a huge opportunity for businesses and startups aiming to launch their own AI-powered digital wallet in 2026. But to succeed, you must build a wallet that's secure, intuitive, and powered by next-generation AI features. Let's break down the must-have components of a modern digital wallet. AI-based smart spending insights. Users get automatic spending breakdowns, alerts, and personalized financial suggestions based on behavior. Biometric plus AI fraud detection. Cutting-edge AI scans transactions in real time to detect unusual activity and block threats instantly. Voice-enabled payments. Users can simply speak, "Send R200 to John," and the wallet processes it securely using AI voice auth. Predictive bill reminders. AI predicts upcoming bills, due dates, and spending patterns, and notifies users before they miss a payment. Instant KYC verification. OCR Plus face-matching AI reduces verification time from days to seconds. Smart budgeting tools. Users can set budgets, and AI monitors spending, warning them when they're close to crossing limits. Cross-border payments. With AI-assisted FX optimization, users get the best possible exchange rate automatically. With a powerful admin dashboard, you get complete control, user management, track users, monitor transactions, and control access with role-based permissions. Transaction monitoring. Observe all payments in real time, flag suspicious activity, and ensure compliance. AI analytics dashboard. Get insights on user behavior, fraud risk, spending patterns, and revenue opportunities. KYC AML compliance module. AI continuously validates identity data and helps prevent fraudulent accounts. Dispute management. Resolve failed payments, chargebacks, and user issues quickly through an automated support system. If your wallet also supports merchants, here's what they need: AI-powered sales insights, QR and NFC payments, automated payouts. Loyalty and rewards engine. AI features your wallet must have in 2026. If you want to make your wallet truly future-ready, consider adding 1. AI chatbot support, instant customer support with 24/7 intelligent assistance. 2. Dynamic risk scoring. Every user and every transaction gets an AI-generated risk profile. 3. AI recommendation engine, suggests the best investments, savings plans, and offers tailored to each user. 4. Facial recognition login, faster and more accurate than traditional passwords. 5. Offline AI payments. Enable users to make payments even without internet, synced automatically once online. Why build your wallet with Apptunix? If you're planning to launch your own AI-powered digital wallet in 2026, Apptunix offers a complete tech suite: a secure, scalable user app, a powerful admin panel, merchant dashboards, AI integrations, bank-grade encryption, compliance-ready architecture. With 2,500-plus successful projects, Apptunix is trusted for building fintech apps that are fast, secure, and future-ready. Click the link in the description and schedule a free consultation with our experts today. We'll help you transform your idea into a powerful AI-driven digital wallet. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights from Apptunix.